Alrighty, Dale, here's your 347 small block Ford. Your description is a combination. It's got a set of RCNC heads on it. You supplied the oil pan, induction, 3 2-barrels, front end. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller in it for you. Go in there and see how she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 411 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 424, peaks horsepower 426. So what we'll do now, pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff, so highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take you to some other spec stuff. So a lot of stuff there to watch. Highly recommend watching. Have a great day.